First watch this. This is original video.
Всем привет! Я снова рада вас видеть на своем канале, и мне безумно нравится то, что мы ведем этот прекрасный влог о моей жизни.
This is lip sync video. Roses greet the morning light. Dreams awaken warm and bright. Hope grows softly day by day. Love and kindness lead the way. And that's all powered by LatentSync 1.5. While many other lip sync tools require 100 gigabytes or more of VRAM to produce high-quality results, LatentSync delivers impressive, realistic lip synchronization using just 6 to 8 gigabytes of VRAM. Whether you're dubbing videos into different languages, creating AI-generated content, enhancing animations, or producing digital artwork, LatentSync offers an excellent balance of quality and hardware efficiency. For creators with standard gaming PCs or limited GPU memory, it's one of the best lip sync solutions available today. In this video, you will learn how to install LatentSync 1.5 on your computer. Without wasting any time, let's get started and install LatentSync 1.5. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit LatentSync main page. This is very old fork for 1.5 because 1.6 version needs 16 plus GB of VRAM, and still result of 1.5 is way better. To install locally you need at least 6 to 8 GB graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11, Visual Studio FFmpeg. Git for Windows. Once you ready, click on code option on main page and copy Git code. Now go to drive or folder you want to have this installed and type cmd in folder path. A new command prompt window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone this. After clone, type cd space and go to clone folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Now create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Once activated, you need to install PyTorch. First, check what version of CUDA Toolkit you got installed. To install PyTorch, go to main page of PyTorch and copy code matching your CUDA version. If you don't find matching code, just copy any code after copying in command window. Change CUDA version to yours and add Torch audio before installing. Once PyTorch installed, go to main folder, open requirements file. There are a lot of changes to make. First, remove PyTorch first line, Torch and Torch audio from list. Change X former version. Remove Titran from list and change AV version. Change Gradio version, then save requirements file. Now in command window, run requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed in main folder, create a new folder, name it checkpoints. Now in command window, run this command. This will download models in it. After it's done, run main code. This will auto-launch LatentSync in your browser. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click Run File and launch LatentSync. Using it is very easy, just upload video file.
My biggest weaknesses is asking for help when I need it. I'd like to do better at that.
Upload audio file, make sure both are of same length. You can adjust scale, number of steps, and try different seeds to get different better result. Then click Process Video. In quiet skies the dawn takes flight, turning shadows into light. Every dream begins. And that's it. You now have LatentSync 1.5 fully installed and ready to create amazing AI lip sync videos on your own PC. With support for high-quality results using just 6 to 8 gigabytes of VRAM, it's one of the most accessible and powerful lip sync tools available today. If this guide helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI installation guides, tutorials, and the latest AI tools. If you have any questions or run into any issues during installation, leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.